Hi, hello, and welcome to TechnoWizards TechieTube. It's me Lakshit from Just Arduino Things, only on TechnoWizards TechieTube. Okay, let's go on to the video. Today's video is about obstacle detection using IR sensor. So this is the IR sensor that we are going to see, and there's a IR emitter and a proximity sensor. The proximity sensor has a detector. The reflection of the IR rays observed by the proximity sensor and thereby detects. Okay, the components required are IR sensor and Arduino board and a ABC bus cable as usual and some jumper wires if necessary. Okay, let's assemble. So now I have taken an Arduino board. I am connecting two jumpers into the 5 volt and ground of the Arduino so that I get the power supply from the Arduino itself. This 5 volt and ground is given to the IR sensors VCC and ground. The IR sensor's data pin can be connected to any digital pin from the Arduino board so that the digital data can be fed into the microcontroller easily. The working of an IR sensor is as same as the working of an ultrasonic sensor. So this IR sensor is used in various kinds of projects like obstacle avoiding robot, line following robots, in sorting devices, remote sensing, and etc. So here I have taken a buzzer instead of an LED or showing the output in just the board itself so that I can get a beep sound as an output, saying that this is an application of automatic door alarm or also can be used anywhere else. So this buzzer has two ports, one is positive and negative. So the positive is given to the 13th port of the board which is my output, and the negative port is given to the ground as usual. The components purchase link is available in the description. Please have a look on it too. Now I am plugging in my ABC in the Arduino to program. The code is available in the description too. Please have a look on it. It will direct us to our projects page. We will have other projects codes and information too. So this is the code that we have uploaded. So I am checking the sensor now whether it is working or not. Since I have kept the hand, the LED is glowing, and when I take it, the LED is not glowing.